Okay, so we have a couple example problems. If angle ABC and angle EBF are a pair of vertical angles, and then I know that the measure of ABC equals 3x plus 8, and the measure of angle EBF is 2x plus 48. What are the measures of those two angles? So I know that vertical angles are created when we have intersecting lines. And you can either draw a diagram, or for this one actually don't need a diagram. So if we have ABC, from what I learned by naming angles, B has to be the vertex. And then it says EBF are a pair of vertical angles. Well, if this is my angle I'm talking about, the vertical angle I'm talking about is going to be down there. So that makes this either E or F, and this either E or F. Again, I didn't really even need to draw a diagram. If you know that these are vertical angles, then I can just simply set them equal to each other. So this is 3x plus 8, and EBF is 2x plus 48, so I know that they are equal. So 3x plus 8, that should equal 2x plus 48. Solving, subtract 2x on both sides. And then subtract 8. So x would have to be 40. Is that what was being asked? We're looking for the measure of angle ABC. So that means that I need to go back and plug it in, ABC. If I plug in 3 times 40 plus 8, this is 120, plus 8 gives me 128. So the measure of angle ABC is 128. What should this be? If you are telling me that these are equal here, then they also have to be equal up here. So by plugging in 40, that's a great check to see if you've done it correctly. So for angle EBF, we have 2 times 40 plus 48 gives me 80 plus 48 gives me 128. So that does check. Let's go on and do another one dealing with complementary. So if I have angle JKL and angle MNP are complementary, and the measure of angle JKL equals 2x minus 3, and the measure of angle MNP equals 5x plus 2. What is the measure of angle JKL? And what's the measure of angle MNP? So I know that they are complementary. And complementary means that the two angles have to equal 90 degrees. So that means that this angle plus this angle have to together equal 90 degrees. So just another form of the angle addition postulate. 2x minus 3 plus the 5x plus 2 has to equal 90. Now we're going to solve. Remember, if they're on the same side, you're just simply combining like terms. 2x plus 5x gives me 7x. Negative 3 plus 2 gives me a negative 1. So I have 7x equals 91. Just a little bit of division here. And I get x to equal 13. So if x equals 13, I need to plug it back in to answer the questions. So 2 times 13 minus 3 gives me 26 minus 3 gives me 23. Now, what should this be? We set up here that they have to equal 90. This one's 23, so what should this one be? So I'm going to plug in my 13 again and get 65 plus 2 gives me 67. So do these in fact equal 90 degrees? They do, so that's a great check.